Guests have individual coffee tastes. A guest's order can include any combination of flavors, sugar or sugar substitute, or dairy. No matter what the combination of ingredients is, the general steps to assemble a cup of coffee are the same. Consider this your recipe for success. Select each image to learn the generic steps to assemble the perfect cup of hot coffee. Let's look at Step 2 in more detail. The first part of this step is to add flavors if the guest requests it. There are two types of flavors: flavor shots and swirl syrups. Flavor shots are unsweetened and very concentrated. A little goes a long way. Adding more will not improve the taste. Swirl syrups are sweetened and not concentrated. Whenever a swirl syrup is added, you'll need to stir it after the coffee is added in order to blend it in. Otherwise, the syrup just stays at the bottom of the cup. The order in which you add the remaining ingredients is very important. This order depends on whether the guest asks for regular sugar or a sugar substitute. Select the sugar spoon and sugar substitute images to learn the order in which you add the ingredients. Now that you know the generic steps to make that perfect cup of hot coffee, let's take a look at how to assemble a guest order. In this example, the guest asks for a medium blueberry coffee with cream and sugar. Assuming you have already selected a medium cup and marked it with your guest's order, follow these steps to add a flavor. Place the cup under the flavor dispenser spout. Choose the flavor. Choose a size. Follow the steps in the job aid for your particular dispenser. If your restaurant uses a pump system for the flavor shots, follow the directions on the job aid for the correct amount to use. Based on the order, you can now add sugar. Place the cup under the sugar dispenser spout and press the medium button. If you are not using a sugar dispenser, place the appropriate number of teaspoons of sugar into the cup. Refer to the sugar dispensing job aid for exact amounts to add. Now you're ready to add the dairy. The dairy dispenser has 3 spouts, one for each type of dairy: cream, whole milk, and skim milk. Place the cup under the correct spout, select the product button for cream, and select the correct size button, in this case, medium. Some countries may offer different dairy products for their guests. Always refer to the job aids in your restaurant for the correct procedure to follow. Now it's time to add the coffee. Fill the cup to the fill line. Place a lid securely on the cup. Although this example didn't include a swirl syrup, it's important to remember that anytime a swirl syrup is added to a beverage, you need to stir it with the dedicated spoon, or all that great flavor will be left at the bottom of the cup. For 2 or more coffees, place them in a cup carrier. Drive-through guests receive a napkin for each coffee. This completes the steps to assembling a medium blueberry coffee with cream and sugar. To see a short video on how to assemble 3 other hot coffee orders, click on each of the links below or click the next button at the bottom of the page to move directly to